Hello, third grade. Miss Fogelman here for grammar. Today we will be talking about adjectives. As you know, we were talking about nouns that are a person, place, or thing. Now we'll be talking about adjectives. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And pull up the slides for our lesson. All right, so today is September 9th, and this is our grammar lesson. Today's learning target will be, the student will understand what an adjective is and how it is used in a sentence. So this is our anchor chart. An adjective is a describing word. So adjectives tell us how something feels, how many. So if it tells us how something feels, it may be furry, scratchy, things like that. How many could be a number, okay? So it could be 8 children. The number 8 is an adjective. How something sounds, it was very loud, it was quiet. The person was screeching. These are all adjectives that describe how something sounds. How something behaves, how a noun looks. The size, it was small, it was big, what color, and about anything that describes a noun. Remember, the noun is the person, place, or thing. So to review this, I'm going to go ahead and pull up an IXL. So the first sentence says, they opened 5 windows. So the first thing I would think about is, what is the noun in the sentence? The noun in the sentence is windows because it's a thing. What word is describing the windows? Well, the word that describes the windows is the number 5. It's telling us how many windows there are. All right, the next one. Several beavers built the dam. Okay, so there are several nouns in this sentence. Beavers and dam. There are no adjectives that describe the dam that the beavers built, but there is an adjective that describes the word beavers. It's telling us how many. The word several tells us how many beavers there are. So several is the adjective in the sentence. All right. Tom has 4 brothers. Both Tom and brothers is a noun, but Tom has no adjective that describes it. So brothers would have the adjective, and the adjective is 4. It's telling us how many brothers there are. All right, the next one says, get under the warm blanket. In the sentence, our noun is the word blanket. The word that describes the blanket is warm. It's not only a blanket, but it is a warm blanket. So warm is the adjective. The town has 3 banks. All right, so think for a moment. Which of these words is a noun? And which noun has a word that describes it? Okay, both town and banks are a place, so they're both nouns, but banks is the word that has the adjective. The number 3 tells us how many banks there are in the town, so that is the adjective. Let's go ahead and do one more. Barbara has a pretty voice. Okay, so there's 2 nouns. One is Barbara and one is voice. Barbara does not have an adjective that describes it, but voice does. Pretty tells us that it is a pretty voice. It describes the voice. So pretty is our adjective. All right. Okay, boys and girls, that was our first lesson on adjectives. Remember, adjectives are describing words in the sentence that describe the noun. Thank you.